Hello everybody, I'm at this vending machine. New casting Chevrolet Caprice from Fast and Furious, and the Subaru Forester and the Nissan GT4. The rest is all old news. There is a Penang bus. This three-wheel car is also something weird. Mazda MX-5. So I will buy the Subaru Forester, but I'm not sure about the Chevrolet Caprice. Should I buy the Caprice? Okay, at the side we have Mini GT. Somebody wrote on the box 65, but it says 70. There's the Nissan Primera. I'm waiting for the price to drop. Kaido House Honda Civic is very expensive, very detailed, roll cage engine. Tomica, no price. Mini GT again. Majorette. So in goes my money. Number 25. Here. Behind it, it's the Mercedes (190E). Also very nice casting, nice color, but I have that one in black already. I'm going to be opening this, so wait for the review. Subaru Forester in blue. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.